my back. Sometimes there's easy solutions to fixing furniture. It's not always cushions like people think. You know, I probably have people bring me 6 or 7 cushions or more every week, and the first thing they want me to do is, here, give me some new foam, I'll pay you for it. But oftentimes that's not the problem, and I'm going to show you how you can save yourself a lot of money, because I don't think everybody out there is going to be as honest as me and tell you these things. But on these quick tips that we have, I really love showing people how to save money, and it's as simple as having a bath towel or a blanket at home. This seat has a down cushion in it. Down's a little bit different. There's no support in a down cushion, but even if it was a foam cushion or a down cushion as it is, you could do something very simple to boost yourself up a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is remove the cushion. Okay, and then underneath the cushion there are 2 components. There's the deck and there's the seat. Usually the seat is higher than the deck. So that's what makes this even a better idea to be able to do this. In this case, the springs are a little short on this chair, but I'm just showing this as a demonstration. You could do this on sofas, especially get this a lot on sofas, especially sectional sofas, where people complain about the seating and they say they're collapsing. It's not necessarily the cushions, it's the underneath. It's the springs are starting to bottom out a little bit. So it's very simple. What you want to do is, simple remedy, just tuck your tape measure about 1 inch into the bag to where the seam line from the seat and the deck is. It's 17 inches. Tuck a little bit side to side, and that's about 21 inches. 22 by, let's say 22 by 22, it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, the next thing you want to do, come over to a table, and at home, I happen to have an extra piece of fabric here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it up in half. At home, if you have a bath towel for a chair would be good. For a sofa, maybe a blanket, maybe even a heavier blanket. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this is I'm just going to fold this like so. And I'm going to just come over here, and I'm going to tuck this into the side. It doesn't have to be fancy because you won't see this. And I put my cushion on. It's amazing. This is probably about 50% better than it was. In other words, I'm sitting up, I'm propped up a little bit more. So I'm not saying it's a long-term solution. It could be, a lot of times people have a fabric on a piece that could last another 10 years, and they may not want to keep it after that, but they want to be able to sit on it in that period. So this is a good interim solution. And then at some point, if you want to reupholster, which I definitely advise, then at that point the upholsterer can fix the springs. So you're buying some time really on the fabric end of things. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.